Countries around the globe are turning to offshore wind farms, harnessing the power of the seas to combat climate change. These turbines symbolize progress, playing a key role in reducing carbon emissions and protecting life on our planet. While offshore wind farms drive us toward a more sustainable future, they must coexist with nature. Seabirds, migratory birds, and bats face collision risks. To avoid negative impacts, wind farms should be placed away from sensitive marine areas, avoiding key migration routes, nesting, and foraging areas. Once a site is selected, additional measures can minimize impacts. Bird curtailment involves temporarily slowing or stopping turbine rotation to reduce collision risks. It works in real time by using sensors that detect when there is a risk of collisions. It can also work on a scheduled basis with predictive models using environmental and weather forecast data to anticipate high bird activity within wind farms. While curtailment causes some energy losses, the optimization of curtailment strategies can minimize collision risks and energy losses. A coordinated approach to curtailment across coastal states can protect birds while ensuring energy supply stability. Now is the time to invest in innovation and cooperation to set a global standard for sustainable energy development.